Carriage HCD500-1A-2.
Automatic welding carriage. Equipped with a conventional gas shielded welding power source, it can realize automatic gas shielded welding operation. This carriage is suitable for flat fillet welding and side section welding, compact structuracy installation, and wide application range. Powered by a lithium battery or external power supply. One charge can meet 10 hours of continuous operation. Using of the digital control system is based on MCU. It is high in control precision. The parameter visualization is convenient for later process parameter standardization. Strong magnetic absorption device based on magnetic switch. Reliable absorption and easy installation.